What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing with my buddy Sam. Just caught some live bluegill for catfish bait, so I'm going to cast it out there and I'll get back with y'all when we get a catfish on. Everybody, I'm getting a nibble. It's the next day. Just got a nice bluegill or whatever this is.
It's a big sunfish.
It's a big old sunfish. Oh my gosh.
That thing's cool.
He's a big one.
It's a big fish cage.
Thank you. Beautiful tropical bluegill. I'm gonna put him back because he's just too beautiful to kill. He has like beautiful coloring on him. Nice light blue, like lightning blue, and then orange through like pinkish on him. Anyway, I'm gonna get the release for you guys. There he goes. Guys, we got one. We hooked up on looks like it's a white perch. It's a pretty nice size white perch. There you go. We're not using it as bait though, because we already have white perch. We don't want to waste any. I'm just gonna be fishing for white perch for fun now. So unhooked it, and I'll just. Alright, everybody, so I'm about done catching white perch. I need to save some video storage for my catfishing, which I came out here to do. This might be split into two parts. I'm not totally sure, like a microfishing challenge and a catfishing challenge, or whatever you want to call it. And a fish just broke water over there. I think it was a bass or really from the top water. Must have seen a raindrop hit the top of the water, jumped out for the raindrop. I bet that fish was real stupid, but anyway, I'm gonna get in with the catfish when we get hooked up on a catfish, if we do. But I'm about done catching white perch for the day. So let's do this. Put it on. Alright, everyone, I just hooked up on my small hook. It's a nice one. Oh my gosh, it's a nice.
What is it, a catfish?
It's a bass.
No, sorry, it's a catfish.
Wait, it's a catty.
Here, there's a net right over here. Here, look, guys, look.
Is it hooked loose? Hang on, I got it.
It's a fat cat.
Rarely hooked. Surprised I landed him.
Does that cat have red eyes?
Guys, nice catty on a small hook. This thing is awesome. It's a nice old channel cat. Here you go. Can you see it good?
Yep.
Alright, guys, so there it is. Tried to lip it, but you know, it bit down on my finger, and they have really sharp teeth. But that's a catty. Let's see if we can catch another one. And yeah, I'm gonna get the release. Yeah, here it goes. Alright, guys, so I want to show you the hook size that I just caught that thing on. That small hook I caught that catty on. That is insane, if you ask me. So I'm gonna get my other pole. I'm gonna drop it straight down like I did for this one. I am just so hyped right now, guys. It's not even funny. Let's see if we can get some more channel cats. We hooked up again. It's not the biggest. I'm gonna flip him up here. It's a small catty, channel cat. But he's a pretty nice size. Hooked him right in the side of the lip. Hurts getting poked by these suckers. I'm gonna do that. Take this hook out of this little guy. Unhook. Come on. Come on, get off. There he is. Get the release. Thanks everybody for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed that video of microfishing and catfishing, be sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if you like that sort of content. I try to upload daily content like every week. Yeah, usually fishing and fishing tips and stuff like that. And I think tomorrow me and my buddy are gonna get up early and go fishing. And the bait we were using today was white perch and night crawlers. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed that video, please comment some more fishing videos I can do, and leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.